Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about building relationships, not clients.
So it's very important in business, I think, in these day and times most especially, is we live in an increasingly more faceless world. You can get everything through the internet. I mean, heck, you can buy groceries and you don't even have to go to the grocery store anymore via online. And so it's becoming even more present to take in order to sell your skills, your abilities, sell your products, things like that. You need to build relationships with your potential customers. And those can be short-term and those can be long-lasting term relationships that'll really help you through like dry periods and things like that. And that's really crucial and important.
Yeah. Just talking about with the way you interact with customers, some people are going to be open to it and some people won't. They're just there for a quick interaction. They want their item and that's really all they want from you. Whereas there's other people that are more friendly. Some of the ways that you can build these relationships is when you're informing your customer about their project. You know, you can just throw in some personal details, kind of personalize it for them. Or if you're running behind on their deadline, you can share a little bit about maybe your personal life or if there's something that's causing a problem. For example, if you've injured your arm, you can kind of share that with them other than there's been a delay,
Cut out the impersonal blanketed responses. I know that it's real tempting to get kind of all legalese like to protect yourself in certain situations, where you just want to well, we're sorry that you've had such a bad experience with our company. We do our best here at such and such place to make sure that you never get a hold of a real live human being. And that's truly honestly what they're saying. They don't want somebody that you can argue it out with or to tell your side of the story or have your point taken. And if you are a small business, the people that are soliciting you for business, they do not expect you to be like the Wally world, okay? For all those you don't know that at Walmart, right? They don't expect you to be like customer service from somewhere over in India that couldn't give two rips about you or your family or the fact that your kid needed that kidney that was supposed to be shipped, right, to your doorstep. I haven't had any kidneys shipped to me at my doorstep. But the point is they come to you because they expect to have that open and honest relationship with you and have a discussion with you about the thing that they're wanting and what they're hoping for you to provide.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.